Hey, Justin Lovato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and today we want to talk about one of many SONAX products, and that is going to be the SONAX Ceramic Polish All-In-One. Now, this is one of many great products that SONAX has to offer. This specific product is going to be something that's going to allow you to be able to restore the paint, depth, and gloss all in one step and leave some protection behind. And that's something that will give you literally upwards of 3 months worth of protection. And this is going to be the SI carbon technology, which is something that they're known for, not only in this product, but some of their sister products, such as the ceramic ultra slick detailer, and of course the ceramic spray coating as well. And I got to tell you, if you want to not only achieve 3 months, just this as a standalone, and get more than that, the trifecta of those products will really complement not only the look of the vehicle, but the longevity as well. Because if you were to put this on, whether it be hand applied or machine applied, you could do either or. You go ahead and follow it up with topping it with the ceramic spray coating, and then maintain it with the ceramic ultra slick detailer. And that right there will give you the best of both worlds in regards to a good looking vehicle, a vehicle staying cleaner longer, a super slick surface with the ceramic characteristics, and then being able to exceed that 3-month longevity from the base of this product. Now, in application, I had mentioned, this is something that can be hand applied and or machine applied. Personally, I like to machine apply products. I feel like you get the full potential out of them. When you do this, it's gonna be low dusting, so it's gonna be very nice and work in a clean environment to say, and then also extremely easy to remove, leaving a very smooth and slick surface behind. So let's go ahead and get into how that looks in regards to the application. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my 3-inch polisher here. We're gonna work this small section where you can see the pre-existing micro scratches and swirls. And this does have the ability to remove light scratches and swirls out of the finish as well. So that's super helpful in bringing up the finish, not just by protecting it. I'll work this small section here, right above the Corvette emblem, just to show you the ability of this product in action. And as you see, I'm just working a crosshatch section, making sure that my polisher continues to spin as it should. Just even upon immediate removal of the residue, I could feel a world of a difference in the surface and how slick it is with the way my towel runs across it. So there's definitely a huge difference in restoring the depth and gloss with some defect removal. Obviously, this paint needs a lot more attention when it comes to defect removal. For the results that we were able to get as a all-in-one, those are pretty darn good results. Now, as you've seen firsthand, the results that we achieved, this is gonna leave a beautiful slick surface and hydrophobic barrier. And this is gonna be achieved, of course, by the SONAX Ceramic Polish All-In-One. For more information about the SONAX Ceramic All-In-One or any of the SONAX products and the full lineup they have to offer, visit autogeek.com.